All right, guys. So this was the ground from a car audio store did for me like 6, maybe 7 years ago. This is the ground that I did. Now, the problem ground was this ground. So if you hadn't noticed, there's still paint here. I did do a multimeter test, and it's coming back at 0.3, which really isn't bad, but it should read 0 ohms on the multimeter, when you put it on the multimeter for ohms. So what I'm going to do is take this down. I'm going to grind this down a little bit and see if I can get it a little bit cleaner. And I'm going to clean it off again. And I'll be back. Show you the finished product, and then we'll bolt it back together and we'll multi-test it before we get everything all done up. So as you can see, I grinded it down. I use the wire brush on my drill, and we're going to get it back on there. I'm going to run it on the multimeter again. Like I said before, it was 0.3. We're trying to get it to 0 it out, so we'll see what we get on the ground in a moment. We'll be right back. All right, guys, welcome back. So we have the multimeter in front of you. These are your 2 test clips. Now what you do to test your ground now is you take your positive of your from your multimeter and you put it on your battery. Okay, I was wondering if I could see it on there. I couldn't see it on the camera. I'm kind of sitting in an awkward fashion here, trying to reach the ground and reach the battery at the same time. And you take your negative, and your negative you put on your ground. And as you can see, we're reading 0. So that means that we have a good, perfect ground. So guys, I want to thank you for watching. If you guys have any questions, feel free to reach out and ask. It might take me a minute to get back because I do have a YouTube channel, and my YouTube channel is priority. You can come and see me at my YouTube channel, Subs and Paws, youtube.com. Don't forget, while you're there, like whatever video you're watching, and don't forget to subscribe, guys. Thanks for watching. I appreciate it, guys. Peace.